Imagine wearing a police uniform and being placed in a situation where you have to choose between your job and protecting the people you love. What happens when power, money, and influence enter the picture? And most importantly, can justice really survive when police involved have something to hide? Well, this movie, Officer Rebecca, is an interesting one. So right now I'm talking about this latest amazing Yoruba movie titled Officer Rebecca. This movie is a new Yoruba drama featuring talented actors including Anike, Zeno Bakari, Olaiya, and Marvin Tokumbo. And guys, this movie is giving us police, money, power, secrets, drama, and all that makes a movie interesting. So one thing you should pay attention to in this movie is the relationship between money and power, because money has a very funny way of changing people's behavior. Imagine someone that preach integrity today and tomorrow, once the money enter like this, their principles suddenly disappear. That is one thing I found interesting about the concept of this movie. And one thing I also love about this movie is that it does not just ask us to look at the crime itself. It also makes us to look at the people behind the crime, the people benefiting from it, and the people who are supposed to stop it. And yes, guys, there's definitely a lesson to take away from this kind of drama. It teaches us that power without integrity can become dangerous, and also money can give you access, but it doesn't automatically gives you peace. And also, this movie teaches us that the biggest mistake a person can make is believing that because they have money or influence, they can control every situation. But guys, this is my own opinion on this movie. Have you watched Officer Rebecca yet? Who is your favorite character in this movie? And do you think Rebecca handled the situation the right way? I want to hear from your own opinion. Yes, I want to hear your own opinion. So make sure you like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so